Alright, I'll make this quick. There are 3 7mm bolts that hold down the boost pipe. So, I'm going to remove that. Next, clean out some debris so it doesn't fall into the chamber when we remove the coils and the spark plugs. Next, remove the tabs off the coils. Alright, once this is clear from debris, you can start removing the little bolts. I believe they're 8mm. The coils are ready to be pulled out. Be careful with the wires, don't let them tangle. Don't pinch them, don't bend them, they're very brittle. Next one. Now before removing the spark plug, you want to use a vacuum. Just make sure you get all that debris out. Now when removing the spark plugs, you don't want to use power tools. Don't use a impact wrench, nothing like that. You want this is a 5/8 socket for the spark plugs, and there's a rubber holder inside that would grip onto the spark plugs when you loosen them and pull them out. Because you don't want the ceramic to shatter and fall into the combustion chamber, and it would be a disaster. Alright? This is a very nice color actually. This looks like it's new. And once the spark plug's removed, you want to put another one in right away. This is a Bosch Iridium spark plug. The gap is already predetermined, preset. Put the spark plug in here, being very gentle. Then slowly put it in, scoot it down, butter smooth. Yes. If a spark plug becomes too tight when removing, you want to loosen it, tighten it until it breaks free. Just a tip. Snug it. We'll torque it later. It's 22 foot-pounds, by the way. Okay. Now the next one. Slow. Alright. Beautiful. Now repeat the steps for the remaining 3 cylinders. Alright, so now all the spark plugs are inside. They're screwed in. Now we're going to torque them to 22 foot-pounds. Yep. This is the coil. In we go! Alright, that's one. Plug this back when it's done. And you repeat the same steps for the remaining 3 cylinders. Solid. Right. We're done. Alright. Once I'm done with this torque wrench, I like to wipe it down, caress it, make love to it, talk to it.